What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get Photon install on mobile. So if you're looking for a way to get Photon install here on mobile, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So the thing with Photon install here, so by its nature, it's a flat platform here that you can access on your mobile device. Now if you're going to look for an app that you could use to access Photon install here, so just the idea, going to go to Play Store and just type in or search for Photon install. As you can see right now, you don't see any option to install Photon install because, like what I said before, Photon install is a web or a platform that you can access on your browser. But the great thing about this one is for Android devices, you can still get Photon install here in your home screen when you access the website here. So just to give you the idea, let's go and access our mobile. Go to search URL, just type in Photon install. Let's go access the website itself. Now in here, it will give you a bunch of options here, and at the very bottom, you have the add Photon to home screen here. But sometimes that might not work, so the best bet that you could do here to add this to your home page is you want to go and click on the three-dotted option at top right of your screen here, and just click on the option here that says add to home screen. Now it's going to ask you the name of the app or the shortcut that you'll be doing here, so go ahead and enter that, whatever name you want. Let's go and click on install. And once you've done that, it's going to start installing that. And once we go back into our home screen here, just give you the it should now be installed. As you can see, app installed here. So again, you should be able to see it in here, as you can see right now. So if you click on it and open it up, you should be able to access Photon install here, and just click on connect wallet to connect your wallet, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.